Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x and y if we have x plus 2 times of xy plus y is equals to 8, and we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here uh, we just find all the values of x. The very first thing we are going to do is first we need to focus into these two terms, and you see here both of these two terms involve x. So here we need to take common x from here. When we take common x, we get the remaining values are. From here we get 1 plus, from here we get 2y, and plus from here we get y is equals to 8. And in the next step, you see here from this factor we have 2y, but here we have only y, so we need to convert this y into the form of 2y. So for this we multiplying both of the sides by 2. Okay, so in order to make this y as 2y, we multiply both of the side on each of these term by 2. So when we multiply by 2, it will be written as 2x times of 1 plus 2y, and plus this is 2y is equals to, here we have 2 times of 8 becomes 16. And further you see here in this factor we have 1 plus 2y, but here we have only 2y, we need 1 on here. So in order to make 1, we just add both of the sides by 1. So when we add both of the sides by 1, it will be written as in this form. So we have, this is 2x times of 1 plus 2y, and here we add 1 on both of the sides, so it will becomes 1 plus 16. Okay, so we add this 1 on both of the sides. And now you see here this is 1 plus 2y, and this is also 1 plus 2y, and you see here both of these two factors involve 1 plus 2y. So here we take common 1 plus 2y, and when we take common 1 plus 2y, from here we get the remaining values are. From here we get 2x, and plus from here we get 1, and this is equals to 1 plus 16 becomes here 17. Okay, so further in the next step, you see here in the left hand side we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So now here we need some possibilities in which the product of two numbers becomes 17. So we have, there are two possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers is 17. The first possibility is 1 times of 17 is equals to 17, and the second one is minus 1 multiplied by minus 17 is also equals to plus 17. Okay, so we get these two possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers is 17. So now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we compare both of these two factors into these cases, and it will be written as 1 plus 2y into 2x plus 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by 17. Okay, now here in the next step we divide these factors into two cases, and first we write here 1 plus 2y is equals to 1, and second we write 2x plus 1 is equals to 17. Okay, so we get these two cases, and now here from both of these two cases we easily get the values of x and y. So first we need to focus on here, and now we move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 2y is equals to 1 minus 1. This is plus 1. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes minus 1. So we get 2y is equals to 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and in order to find the value of y, we divide both of the sides by 2. So this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get the value of y is equals to 0 divided by 2 becomes here 0. So this is the value of y. And further in the next step we need to move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 2x is equals to 17 minus 1, and here we easily get the value of 2x is equals to 17 minus 1 becomes 16. And here in order to find the value of x, we divide again both of the sides by 2 in order to remove this 2 from left hand side. So this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here our x is equals to, here we have this is 2 times of 8 becomes 16, and we easily get the value of x is equals to 8. So in the first case, we get two values of x, and we get the value of x is 8 and y is 0. So this is the first values of x and y. This is the first solution of the given equation. And now here, in order to find the other solution, we need to solve our second case. And in second case, we compare both of these two factors with these two values. So when you compare 1 plus 2y equal minus 1 and 2x plus 1 is equals to minus 17. So we write both of these two equations here. We write 1 plus 2y is equals to minus 1 and 2x plus 1 is equals to minus 17. So we write here both of these two equations here, and in the next step we need to move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 2y is equals to minus 1 minus 1, and this implies that this is 2y is equals to minus 1 becomes here minus 2. And now we need to divide both of the sides by 2. So this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we will get here y is equals to this 2 and this 2 are also gone, and we get here y is equals to minus 1. So in the next step, here we get in the second case we get the value of y is equals to minus 1. So from here we get the value of x. So we move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will be written as 2x is equals to minus 17 minus 1. Okay, this is plus 1. When we move right hand side, it will become minus 1. Okay, so further in the next step we have this is 2x is equals to minus 17 minus 1 becomes minus 18, and for values of x we divide both of the sides by 2. So this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get the value of x is equals to, this is 2 times of 9 becomes 18. So we get the value of x is equals to minus 9. So in the second case we get the value of x is minus 1 minus 9, and the value of y is minus 1. So finally we will get here there are two solutions of the given equation, and the solution set of the given equation are xy is equals to our xy is equals to, so the first solution set is in which we get it from first case is 8 and 0, and the second solution set is minus 9 and minus 1. So these are the two solution sets of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.